Hey guys, so welcome back to day 2 of the roof build. As you can see, we've got the roof here pretty much finished up. What we showed you last time was all the framing done, and we got all the lawn board onto it. And since then, we went ahead and insulated everything under it. I'll show you that in a second how we did it. And we'll also be getting a second layer of insulation once it's on the truck before the main plywood goes down for the roof. And we're pretty much getting ready to bring it over to the truck, and we're going to try to do it right from the rear of the truck and bring it up. We're going to see how it works out with the two of us and the weight of it and everything, and see if that approach is going to work. So I'll go ahead and show you the insulation on it now. So here you go, you got all the insulation in it. This took about a day with all the measuring and cutting. We pretty much measured each spot out. I'll show you in a picture here. We measured each spot, numbered them all individually so we knew where they went, and then cut them all out piece by piece and glued them into place. And then, like I said before, we're gonna get a second piece cut out for each spot just so it's doubled up in thickness with the available room we have in there. And then the plywood will of course go on for the main roof. So here she is. We got the bathroom vent, the AC cutout, and the rear dinette vent, and all our insulation in between there. You can see all our numbered pieces. And then we've got all those already traced out onto another sheet for when we do cut them out and double it up once it's on the truck. So now we're pretty much ready to see how it goes with getting this onto the truck. It's pretty heavy. We're gonna see what we can do with the two of us here. So let's do that. Alright guys, so as you can see, that went pretty well. That was just going to be a test run, but it kind of stayed well, so we got it on the ladder here. It's nice and strong. So before we finish, we're going to go ahead and caulk the receiving channels where the wood's going to sit, just as a secondary piece of it along with the screws. And then once we put it in, one of us is going to be on the ladder and go up and pushing it, while the other's on the ladder in the truck on the receiving end, and we'll take both weights front and rear and bring her in place and drop her down in. All right, so that was fun. Everything worked out well. It was a lot of work and we were sweating, and it took some physical motivation to get the roof to slide all the way forward once we had it in, but everything lined up great. And check it out, we got a roof now. Nice. So now we're gonna go in with screws from the outside and hit all the uppers just to pull the wall against the roof there and get it locked in. So you can see up there, let me see if I can get this zoom to work. You can see our caulk worked out well and it's squeezing through where we caulked everything up there, so that's nice. Everything slid forward right where we wanted it to up there. I'll go ahead and show you the top now. So here we go, we got a roof on. Everything lined up nice. Now, like I said, we're gonna go through, countersink some holes, put them in, pull it in, and get that done and get it locked into place. Hey guys, so here we are, pretty much it's day 3 of the roof build, and the roof is on the truck and installed. Everything went great on it. We were able to get it into place with just the 2 of us. It was heavy, but it worked out well. We used some leverage and got it up in there, and everything fit right as we planned for it to. And I'll show you what it looks like now.
Hey guys, so this is basically obviously the back wall. It's framed in 2x2s. This is where the window's going to be. The framing is not finished up. Here it's framed in 2x4s because this is where the ladder is going to be, so we wanted a little bit more strength than just a 2x2 they were using. Over in this section here, we're going to end up with an outside shower. We're going to have an inside bath and an inside shower, but we're also going to have an outside shower, so if you're real dirty or muddy. And basically it's going to be mounted here. will be nice so you don't have to bring all the mud into the motorhome.
Hey guys, so that pretty much wraps it up for most of the roof build. As you can see, it's on there, it's good, it's secure, it came out great. It's nice to have a closed-in box here, and it's really starting to feel like a camper again. So next on the build, or talking about this, we're gonna of course have the plywood across. You're getting more insulation up there. We're gonna be running our 12 volt and our 120 for the AC unit in the roof before we seal it up, and then our rubber roof will go on. And we're going to get some custom aluminum channels made for all the edges, going from the rear all the way forward and around to keep everything sealed in once we get the roof and everything on it. And then next in the build, other than that, we're pretty much ready to put our floor in. And then once our floor is in, we can start doing our interior cabinetry build and everything, and really start tying this thing up to be a home again. We're pretty excited, and this all went awesome today. We had a good time, no mess ups or anything. The roof dropped right into place like we hoped for it to and designed it to, and it fit beautifully. So thanks for watching, and everyone that's been following along with the build, we appreciate it, and we look forward to getting more of this build done and keep documenting it for us and for everyone else to see. As always, give me a like if you like the videos and everything. Keep me motivated to keep making them. Thanks, and Happy New Year, guys.